Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the OxygenOS Pie port from OnePlus 5T for a Redmi Note 5 or the Redmi 5 Plus wins. So without wasting more time, let's start. So guys, this is not the first time OxygenOS has been ported to Redmi 5 Plus or the Redmi Note 5 wins, but I was waiting for a stable version, like it will be suitable for all of the users to use as their daily driver, and yes, I'm using it as my daily driver on my Redmi 5 Plus or Redmi Note 5. So yeah, here is this review. You can see so yeah, let's starting with the launcher. You can see the launcher dark theme I have applied because it looks really good on the dark Redmi Note 5, which is my wins. And you can see these are the apps I use. Also left side we get the OnePlus shelf, everything from the OnePlus, as it is a pure OnePlus port. Moving into settings, about phone, and you can see it's ported from the OnePlus 5T because like there are no notches, so it's easier to fix some issues, and there are no notch related issues. If you are porting from 60 or 6, then we can face some issues like that. You can see the 1 January 2019 latest security patch, not the February because it's ported from 5T. Then also we get Android version 9, and the kernel is VIMB 3.18.120. So guys, we get all of the wallpapers from the OnePlus 5T. You can see which are the Pi. You can see all of the OnePlus 5T wallpapers. I've set these two wallpapers because like I like them, and it's also dark, so you can see the font is easily visible here. I can take a look at the quick settings also. You can see how beautiful they are looking on a Redmi Note 5, and I have the accent purple, so you can see this is how it looks. Default it's blue and the white like the light theme. And you can see also the settings UI looks like really well. It's not an AMOLED display, but yeah, it looks really good on the LCD display panel if you're using it at a medium brightness. Let's take a look at some features. So for that, move into settings, into display. You can see get this normal stuff, sleep, night mode, reading mode, like it's in every other ROM. Then screen calibration, and I don't think so if it works. Like I see no difference, but in adaptive mode I can see some difference in the custom color. You can like choose to get it to cold or warm, so yeah, that works. Like if you switch from adaptive mode, you can check. I use the default. Adaptive mode is better, but I use default. Then you can see app display in full screen, so full screen mode support. Ambient display, but it doesn't work. Then we have wallpapers, and yeah, which I already showed you. Then we have the theme, colorful light and dark, then blink light, LED notifications, font size, display size, status bar, same status bar stuff like the battery style, battery percentage, time, icon manager. We also have the network speed, so you can see display network speed, and then we have the screensaver, which is the normal stuff. Also guys, if you have noticed, I am using the OnePlus gestures, so it's into the buttons, so you can see navigation bar and gestures. So just choose navigation gestures and they work really well. You can see the OnePlus recents, this is the home button, and you can see it goes home. Through here we can choose recents. Okay, again let's go into buttons and gestures. Then we have the quick active, the assistant app, it doesn't work. Swipe fingerprint doesn't work. Then quick gestures, in which 3-finger gesture and the double tap to wake works. So you can see the 3-finger gesture, clicks the screenshot, and double tap to wake works fine. You can see. Then use fingerprint. Also you can use fingerprint even if it's locked. So in my Redmi Note 5 Pro, I'm not getting this feature, so I don't know why. Long press to take a photo, I don't know if it works. Sorry. Okay, so this long press to take a photo doesn't work, or I don't know how it works, but yeah, like a literal meaning, it doesn't work. Now moving into some more OnePlus stuff, you can see utilities, and we have the gaming mode, which works really well, but the gaming experience with the OnePlus OxygenOS is not that good for me. Actually, I was playing PUBG, but it didn't work well. There were some lags and glitches, so yeah, it's on you if you're playing it well, and yeah, you can check out your own by playing PUBG. Then yes, this is about phone, and yeah, into system you can see we get all this stuff, OTG storage and all. So yeah, that is it for the OnePlus OxygenOS. Now guys, I can't talk about some battery and performance because I haven't used this phone like with OnePlus for a day or at least two, but I will review it, a full review soon with battery and all stuff. But yeah, battery backup is good. It was not at all draining that much. Also, there is no idle drain, so I would give it good. Performance is really well, app opening times and everything. It's really good. Oops, sorry. Why is it asking me again and again? So you can see performance. Oh my god. So I don't know why it's asking me again and again. Performance wise, it's really well. App opening times are good. Also, there is no lag faced in app drawer or somewhere, even if you're using some like hardcore apps or something. But PUBG, the gaming performance is not that well. I don't know why, but yeah, like if it's better on USB ROMs, so many people who play PUBG and other games will prefer USB ROMs. Like OxygenOS is also based on a USB, but I don't know why. Like it's a ported ROM, so maybe. Yeah, let's take a look at it afterwards. But now we have to move towards the installation. Like if afterwards, like in the next board, the gaming becomes good, I will review it sure. Now let's move to the installation because like the review is almost over. So yeah, it's time for installation. So let's start with the installation. Okay guys, for installing a ROM you will need custom recovery of course, and many of you have installed it, and if not, I have made a separate video. You can check out my videos, Redmi Note 5 videos. Then you can see we have directly a recovery button, but for those who are like first time installing a ROM, so I have to use power F and like that's it. So you can see the device has been powered off. Now to boot into recovery mode, press the volume up and the power button. After the MI logo, oops, oh sorry, my camera, like the phone could have fell now. And as I'm shooting with the Poco F1, so also tell me about the audio and video quality. Okay, so I'm using the Orange Fox recovery, which I prefer, and it's also better, like it has a lot of features. So yeah, oops, going to wipe, advanced wipe. Now yeah, if you want to backup, you have the backup option, backup your older ROM. Then go to wipe, Dalvik system data, cache and vendor, cache, not cache or something. Oops, it's difficult with the one hand. I know I can do it, but I don't know why, like while making videos it always does fail. Going to install, then we have to install the file name, sorry, the firmware. This is the 9.1.2 firmware, which is, oh shit, required. So you can see it will just like easily install the firmware, and yeah, it like ends in seconds. Oh, cancel reboot if you have like auto reboot option selected. Then install OnePlus 5T port, and then now we can reboot finally. So you can see OnePlus 5T port for Vinci, like it says Vinci, for Redmi 5 plus Redmi Note 5 by smjadeja. Let's wait for this installation process to like go through. So guys, the installation is successful. You can see OnePlus 5T port installed. Now reboot system, and you need to install that firmware before flashing the ROM like I did. So yeah, and you can see in my logo. Okay, so the OnePlus boot animation will start. Guys, don't worry if it boot loops, it's okay. It did for me. Like I flashed this ROM third time, and it did for me twice. So yeah, and you can see OnePlus boot animation finally going. So yeah, just like rest your device for some 2 minutes or so, because it takes some extra little time for like more than USB ROMs to boot, and also the installation takes a minute or two for OxygenOS. But yeah, like we can wait for the OnePlus experience to boot easily, and then we can set up. And also guys, don't set up the face unlock because it will break it, and you will need to refresh the ROM. So yeah, that's it for the review and the installation for the OnePlus 5T OxygenOS Pie on our Redmi Note 5, the Redmi 5 Plus. So if you guys like this video, press the like button. If not, the dislike button. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos on the OnePlus Redmi 5 Plus. OxygenOS if you want, I will make more videos if it gets updated. And also all of the feedback and the comments will be in the comment section. If you want any like video suggestion, if I have missed something, you can just tell me in the comment section, and also on my Telegram if you know. Or also, yes, also follow me on Instagram. Like no one is following me on Instagram, so please follow me on Instagram for updates. Like I sometimes don't give updates there, but yes, if you guys follow, I will just like be more active on that. So bye bye guys. If you guys like this video, press the like button. And I don't know why I'm telling like this again and again, but bye bye.